Autocad Electrical Training Advanced. Welcome to the Electricity Forum Training Institute, or EFTI, a trusted leader in electrical training for the North American power industry. This 6-hour instructor-led Autocad electrical toolset training course teaches professionals how to automate electrical schematics, wire numbering, cross-referencing, and reporting so documentation becomes faster, more consistent, and production-ready for real control and panel design projects. What you'll learn. Students will learn how to use Autocad electrical automation tools to build intelligent schematic drawings, create PLC wiring diagrams and ladder logic documentation, and apply automated wire numbering, tagging, and cleanup across complex projects. This course delivers training in managing parent-child and source-destination relationships, organizing panel footprints and terminal strips, cross-referencing components, creating custom symbols and templates, configuring intelligent title blocks and projects, generating reports such as wire lists and bills of materials, and applying structured standards to streamline automation, reduce errors, and maintain documentation consistency. Who should attend? This course is designed for electrical designers and engineers, controls engineers and PLC specialists, panel builders and automation integrators, experienced AutoCAD users adopting the electrical toolset, and anyone responsible for professional electrical documentation and production drawings. This course comes with a AutoCAD Electrical Toolset Advanced Certificate, 0.6 CEU credits, 6 professional development hours, 100-page electrical protection handbook, and a $50 coupon toward future EFTI training. Build advanced automation skills and improve the speed, quality, and consistency of your electrical documentation. Register today for FT's AutoCAD Electrical Toolset training.